Go ahead.
Oi, BB.
You can say in English. Go ahead, just give her a message.
I will come to your house someday on summer.
And what else?
And
what are we doing here? What do you have behind
we
you?
set the Christmas tree up. And we got a new thing. And they can do this. No way.
And about another message. Say bye, Merry Christmas.
Bye, Merry Christmas, BB.